Look! It's Daniel and he's got a
PS4 Pro.
Look at it! What?
Guys. So yeah,
This is insane.
Today I'm very excited to unpack it. I had to get it because my old PS4 stopped accepting discs because it was being difficult. But now,
So difficult.
this new one with like 1 terabyte gig. Wait.
1 terabyte.
1 terabyte of memory. There's more stuff to save. I'm ready to open it. So yeah, let's have a look and see what's inside. Whoa, man!
Yeah.
Quick start guide.
Okay, let's take a look at this.
Read that.
I'm gonna read it because I'm the kind of person who reads manuals.
Yeah. Whoa! That look, it's a giant silver PlayStation symbol. So let's get this thing undressed. Okay, wait, we'll have a look at the main system a bit later. First of all, let's have a look at what else is packed away.
Okay, what's in here?
So they put a separate compartment. Ooh, there's a bunch of extra things. So this one comes with an earpiece.
I'm guessing it's not that great.
For like online play, but this is PNG, so
Yeah, it's not.
it's a miracle that you're watching this video in the first place without data plans. But anyway, don't know how to open this. Okay,
Let's put this there.
the new power cord.
Is it? Wouldn't it be the same? Let's see.
I don't know, it looks a bit different to me. No,
That goes into the brick.
This is definitely different. Wait,
There is no brick. That's right. That's right. Sorry, this isn't Microsoft. I mean,
yeah, I know we have better single player games. Oh, this is for the controller.
oh yeah, USBs for the controller. Yes.
Charger.
Still micro USB. That's fine. Type C is of the future, but that's okay.
Okay.
Lovely controller and
Wait,
cable.
what the frick? Oh, this is HDMI.
HDMI. It comes with an
This
HDMI.
is the HDMI cable.
Yeah, controllers.
Whoa, this.
It looks.
No. This looks.
It looks slightly different.
Maybe I'm just looking at the new controller and I'm getting packed. Wow!
Oh, that looks beautiful.
That is sleek.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
So yeah.
So this is everything that came out of the box apart from the console. The console's right there, and we're just about to get that opened up.
Alright.
Oh my god!
This thing is
Oh,
huge!
shit. Hold on, I got it.
This thing is huge!
Jeez, it looks beautiful too!
Ah, it's like a big, beautiful baby. So just to give you a perspective, this is the front of the console and this is the back of the console. And to be honest, it looks like a perfect square. More than a perfect square than the first one was.
Oh, it does, yeah.
So yeah, that is the PS4 Pro, guys.
The PS4 Pro, it's beautiful. Oh, and these are the few games that we have that we're going to try out. Obviously, we're going to start with Uncharted and Uncharted 4. Okay, I only have one hand. And then Uncharted 4. Then we're going to burn through some of these later on. Phantom Pain. Call of Duty somewhere here, but yeah. Alrighty, I guess that concludes this unpacking of this PS4. It's the first unboxing, sorry. First one that we're doing, that I've ever done. So, yeah, expect some more. And expect them to get better, because this was just out of the blue.